everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my Ipsy bag. And so I still haven't got my BoxyCharm, so we're just going to go ahead and do an Ipsy unboxing. If that sounds interesting to you, please stick around. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all kinds of different beauty things. Unboxings, try-ons, reviews, hauls, anything related to makeup. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. It really would make a big difference for me. I do upload Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Sorry, I had to think about that. I almost said Thursday. My brain is still not quite working. For me, I am in southern Atlanta, but we are chilly here over the past couple of days. Again, it's all relative. It's 70 degrees, but it's chilly for me because I'm used to 90. So I'm kind of pulling a little fall vibe today, which kind of matches our little Ipsy bag. So let's go ahead and jump into the Ipsy unboxing. I have the Glam bag, which is the lowest tier of all three. There are 3 levels. I think the Glam bag is like $15. Then you have a $25 for the Glam bag plus Glam bag premium. I don't know what the exact words, but there's a $25 and then there's a $50, and with each one you have different things. I do really like this bag. It is kind of like a velvety corduroy-ish, and so there's this beautiful magenta wine color on this side and then this awesome mustardy color on the other side. This is one of my favorite bags. Sometimes I'm not the biggest fan of the Ipsy bags. I kind of don't use them. I love this bag. I think this would be great in your purse, especially for fall, and I love the colors. It does have a leather accent here for the pull on the zipper. And we're going to go ahead and jump right in. One of the things, so this is good vibes for September of 2020. It says this month, radiate positivity. Wow. From trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip, when you embrace this season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. And so inside is kind of a list of all the products. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So the first product I pulled out is the Haley Beauty Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Berry. This is a creamy crayon. Swipe on and go. The full-size product is $9. Of course, these are all trial because it's the lowest tier on Ipsy. These are just kind of travel sizes, so you can try them. Sometimes I think Ipsy does great, and then sometimes I'm like, I like Allure better. This is plastic. You'd think I'd be smart enough to keep something in here for plastic. Let's open this up and swipe this real quick. I, as you guys have heard me say many a time, am a little bit lazy. So I love the idea that this is a crayon and it is a travel size. Perfect for your purse. It doesn't smell like anything. We're going to go ahead and swatch it right there. Oh, and it is nice and creamy, but it's more of a sheer color. I don't think that it's a super dark, like thick lipstick. It feels more of like a balm on your lips. Oh, I do really like that. So very cool. First product right there. Like it. Next thing that we received, or that I'm pulling out of here, is all sealed up. Another thing that I really appreciate about all these products. Love the packaging. PYT Beauty. And I feel like I've heard of them before. Oh, and look at that. That's super cute. PYT Beauty Night to Day eyeshadow in a cool mini. The full-size product is $32. I don't know why. I think $32. Hopefully it's bigger than just a 4-pan. Maybe it's a 6-pan or something like that. I do think these are really cute. I love how small it is, really nice travel size. There is no mirror. This is really nice packaging, but it is plastic. It's kind of like a matte black on the outside, but it's not textured. It is plastic. And so let's go ahead and swatch these. So there's 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. I want to swatch this shimmer, of course. Ooh, wow, that's beautiful. We're probably just going to swatch them all. That's the next shimmer. That's pretty. First matte, so this matte right here. Probably won't even be able to see it because it's such the same color as my skin. I can't even see that. And then next right here. So the mattes kind of fail. I think the mattes are ones that you're definitely going to have to build up to get any color. That's after 2 dip ins, so definitely something that you would have to build up. But those shimmers are beautiful, especially that one. That's gorgeous. I do like that. So interesting. So very cool little, oh, and it even has the names here, which I didn't see. Very cool little quad. I do like that. Little travel size. Next thing I am super excited about. This is the Professional in the Hydrating Primer. So I have tried the Professional, that is the one that everybody loves, the cult classic from Benefit. For me, it is too thick and too drying. It doesn't work as well for me. This is a hydrating primer that is supposed to help your makeup last. And then one of the claims of this is that it hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. So I'm interested to see how this works under the makeup. Does it really make everything smooth and kind of fill everything in along with keeping me hydrated? I am super excited about that. The full-size product is $39. Am I reading that right? Nope, $32. This is, though, the smallest travel size of it that I have ever seen. Like, it is itty, itty, bitty. You might get 2 uses out of it. I don't know why I tried to smell that one. Not even, because it is not a full tube here. It is the same as the Cult Classic. It comes out with that beigey skin color. Sorry, I promise I'm not saying bad things to you. It kind of rubs in. It does feel nice and hydrating. I do like that. And it just smells fresh. I like that. I'm excited to try that. I do think that they could have given you a bigger sample size. I think that's kind of a cheesy sample size, but that's just my opinion there. Next product that I have is the Dolce Freematic, not fragrant, but Freematic Blush Mono in Daydream. It is all sealed up. It is definitely a sample size. Oh, holy moly. And it is sealed on top of sealed. So there's that plastic seal, and then somehow I get this out of here. Oh, there we go. Very apricot-y in color. It looks like it may be a little bit of a satin color. Yeah, neutral blush gives you a healthy glow in seconds. So I do think it is a little bit of a glowy blush. A full size is $14. So let's go ahead and swatch this. We'll swatch it over here. And you can definitely see that it is just a little bit glowy. It is that very kind of a nudie apricot color. It is beautiful. I do really like that. And it's nice and silky to the touch. It feels very, very smooth. Oh, I'm excited by that. Again, I do think they could have given just a little, wow, as I drop it. At least I dropped something. I always do once. I think they could have given just a little bit bigger of a sample size, but I do like the packaging. There is actually a magnet that's at the edge of here. I always get so amused by that. So very cool. And then the last product in the bag is the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara. Full-size product is $23. I am not going to open this up. I have used this before, and I really do like it. It gives volume. It kind of makes your lashes really big. I do think that you have to be careful because sometimes it will clump, and I'm not a big clumpy mascara girl, so I will have to comb it out after I use it, but I do think it is very nice. I do love the pink tube. I think that's beautiful. Again, these are not broken down into the prices that we actually got or how much we are getting value-wise for what we pay. I do think all in all this is a really good month. I enjoyed all of the products in here. I will try all of them. I think it is super cool. I love the bag, so I like that. I liked this month. What do you guys think about your Ipsy bags? What did you guys get? Do you guys do the lower one, the glam bag, or do you do the more expensive ones? What do you guys think about all the subscriptions? Is one more worth it than the other? Drop me a line and let me know about that. And again, thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm so glad to be back with you and so glad to have you guys here. Thank you for joining me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.